Hello, friends, and welcome again to NAC Graphics. We are on the way of learning 11 basic things before using Illustrator. And till now, we have discussed interface and workspace. And today, we will be doing the third thing, which is the zooming. During the course of learning Illustrator, you will notice that Illustrator gives you a number of ways to perform a same function, which allows you to work according to your convenience. Coming to today's topic, that is zooming, is an often used function while drawing, and Illustrator offers you a variety of ways to perform the zooming thing. Now, let's explore it. First, we go to the Views menu, and there you have 5 consecutive functions related to zoom. The shortcut keys are also mentioned here. It is always better to remember these shortcuts rather than going to View menu and perform zooming function. As a matter of fact, Illustrator 2015 offers you 64,000% of zoom. And man, this is massive, and which is 10 times more than the previous version of Illustrator. Now, you can certainly perform a brain surgery of a bacteria with ease with that much zoom. So, coming to the point, the first option here is zoom in, having the shortcut key as control along with the plus sign. The main thing to notice about this option is that it zooms in, focusing the center of the screen only, like I'm doing right now, which is therefore not an efficient way of zooming. However, there are many other substitutes available for zooming in better way. Coming to the next option, that is zoom out, having the shortcut key of control along with minus sign. And obviously it will zoom you out. The third option is fit artboard in the window, having the shortcut key as control 0. Now remember this shortcut because you are going to use it very often. This makes the size of active artboard fit to the screen, like what I've done right now. The fourth option is fit all in window, having shortcut key as alt plus control plus 0. In case you have multiple artboards, this option will fit all the artboards to the screen. Like in this document, I have 4 artboards, and if I press Alt, Control, and 0, all the artboards will fit to screen. The fifth option here is actual size, having the shortcut key as Control along with 1. This option makes the active artboard zoom to its actual size. Like in the case of this artboard, this was fit to screen, and as I press Control plus 1, it is zoomed back to its actual size. As I told you, there are many other ways to perform the zooming function. So let's just explore them too. Press Alt and scroll up your mouse wheel for zoom in, and Alt plus scroll down your mouse wheel to zoom out. Zooming in or out in this way makes the location of mouse pointer as a point of zoom. Like my mouse pointer is on the corner of spike of the star, and I'm scrolling up my mouse wheel while pressing Alt key, and notice it is zooming over that point only. And similarly, it zooms out according to the location of the mouse pointer. And a wise advice from me to all of you. For zooming in and out in this way will only happen when your mouse pointer is within the canvas area and not over the control panel or panel's dock. The next option is using the zoom tool. Select it from the tools panel, or you can press Z key to activate the zoom tool. And notice you have a magnifying glass as pointer having a plus sign within. And as you click anywhere on the canvas area, Illustrator will bring that point of click to the center of the screen along with an incremental zoom. Like if I click on the tip of the star, it will start zooming while making that point of click as the center of the screen. With every click, the area will get incrementally zoomed in. For zooming out with this tool, press Alt key along with the click, then your magnifying glass will have a minus sign within. You can also drag a particular area to be zoomed. There is also a way of using zoom tool on the fly. Now on the fly means you need not to select the zoom tool specifically if you are working with some other tool. For example, if I am drawing with brush and while working I need zooming in. Now if I press the zoom button from tools panel, use the zooming, and then for resuming back to the brush, I need to travel up to the tools panel and select the brush again. And it's quite a waste of time. So if you want to use zoom tool temporarily and you want to keep the current tool activated after using the zoom tool, then we use the on the fly shortcuts. Illustrator has made many on the fly shortcut keys for widely used functions like zoom or selection, so that you don't need to go to the tools panel again and again. So let's say I'm working with selection tool and I need zoom tool for a while. So I'll be pressing the space bar and then control key to activate the temporary zoom tool, and then mouse click for zooming in, and space bar, control key and alt key along with mouse click will do the zooming out function. All the ways of zooming that I've mentioned zoom incrementally with the default value. But if you want to set your own zoom level, then you can also type in your zoom level value in the small zooming box right over here. This is a quite handy way of zooming in or out. You can type your desired number and press enter key to take that value its effect. Another way of zooming from here is to click here once so that cursor starts blinking in the box, and then use up or down key to increase or decrease the value by 1%. And the result of the zoom value will be displayed dynamically, which means you need not to press the enter key after reaching at a desired value like I'm doing right now. Pressing shift while using up or down key will increase or decrease the value by 10%. So this was all about the zooming function. In the next video, we will be discussing the topic of panning. Thanks for watching NAC Graphics, and you stay tuned.